Today I am reviewing Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been looking for a compact yet powerful desktop solution for home, office, or even light creative work, the Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC is definitely worth your attention. This little powerhouse proves that size doesn't always determine performance. Despite its tiny footprint, it packs some serious specs that make it a versatile machine for work, entertainment, and even some light gaming. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Beelink SER5 Pro is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU with a base clock of 2.0 GHz and a boost speed of up to 4.5 GHz. With a 16 MB cache, it's built for multitasking, smooth workflows, and handling demanding applications. Compared to the previous generation Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 chips, this CPU offers up to a 26% performance boost, which is a huge step forward for a mini PC in this category. Whether you're editing documents, browsing with multiple tabs, running video meetings, or doing photo and video editing, this processor delivers fast and reliable performance. Paired with that CPU, you get 16 GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3,200 MHz. This is dual-channel memory, and the slots are expandable up to 64 GB if you ever need more. For storage, the SER5 Pro comes with a 500GB PCIe 3.0 NVMe SSD, capable of read and write speeds up to 3,000 megabytes per second. That means you can boot up the system in seconds, load large applications quickly, and transfer big files without delays. And if 500 GB isn't enough, you can expand it with an additional 2.5-inch HDD or upgrade the NVMe drive up to 4 TB, giving you plenty of flexibility for storage-heavy workloads. Now let's talk graphics. The Beelink SER5 Pro comes with integrated AMD Radeon graphics with 8 cores clocked at 2000 MHz. While it's not a dedicated gaming GPU, it's more than capable of handling everyday graphics tasks, 4K video playback, and even some casual gaming. If you're into lighter esports titles like League of Legends, CS, Go, Valorant, or Dota 2, this mini PC can definitely keep up. But where it really shines is in 4K productivity and multimedia. The system supports triple 4K displays through HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C. That means you can run 3 monitors simultaneously, which is fantastic for multitasking, trading setups, video editing timelines, or immersive workstations. Connectivity is another strong point here. The SER5 Pro includes a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6 provides up to 2.4 gigabits per second transmission speeds, which is nearly 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, while offering lower latency. That makes it excellent for streaming, cloud computing, or working with large files over the network. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures smooth connections with your wireless accessories, whether it's a keyboard, mouse, headset, or even printers and projectors. The inclusion of 2.5G LAN is a nice bonus for anyone who needs reliable, high-speed wired internet. On the outside, the design is sleek and minimalistic. Measuring just 4.9 by 4.4 by 1.6 inches and weighing around 1.6 pounds, it's incredibly compact. You can place it on a desk, carry it in a bag, or even mount it behind your monitor with the included VESA mount for a completely clutter-free setup. Despite its small size, it still manages to include 3 USB 3.2 ports, 1 Type-C port, audio out, and multiple video outputs, so you'll never run short on connectivity options. One of the things I really appreciate is how versatile this mini PC can be. For office use, it's perfect for meetings, presentations, and everyday productivity. For home users, it works great as a media center PC, streaming box, or digital signage solution. Creators will love it for lightweight photo and video editing, and casual gamers will enjoy smoother experiences in less demanding games. It even supports Wake on LAN and Auto Power On, which makes it useful for server applications like Plex or FTP hosting. Now, let's touch on reliability. The SER5 Pro includes efficient cooling with a smart fan design, keeping the Ryzen processor running cool and stable during heavy use. It also comes with a 1-year warranty from Beelink, which gives some peace of mind. The customer feedback on this model is solid too, with most users praising its speed, build quality, and the sheer performance packed into such a small body. To sum it up, the Beelink Mini PC SER5 Pro with Ryzen 7 5825U is a fantastic all-around machine. You get strong multi-core performance, fast storage, generous memory, triple 4K display support, modern connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, and a super compact design. It's ideal for business users, students, creators, and even casual gamers who need a powerful system that doesn't take up much space. If you're looking for a mini PC that balances performance, expandability, and portability, the Beelink SER5 Pro is absolutely worth considering. It's a compact desktop solution that punches well above its weight class.